Ever wondered how a steak gets from the field to your grill? Understanding meat processing isn't just for chefs, it's for anyone who eats. Knowing your food story helps you make smarter choices and appreciate the craft behind every bite. Meat is muscle, and from the moment an animal is harvested, it's a race against time. The challenge: how to safely pause that clock and turn perishable meat into something safe and delicious. This journey blends ancient traditions with modern science, transforming raw muscle into the food we love. It all starts on the farm. Diet, health, and living conditions shape the final taste and texture. But the real magic happens after the farm, with processors and butchers ensuring safety and flavor. Did you know delicacies like prosciutto and salami are products of controlled decay? Salt, air, and time create flavors that are prized worldwide. This isn't spoilage, it's culinary art. Understanding these processes changes how you see and taste your food. Ready to follow the trail? Let's dive in. After leaving the farm, the animal heads to a processing facility. Here, it's humanely harvested, cleaned, and inspected for safety. No shortcuts allowed. Rapid chilling slows spoilage, hitting pause on biology. Next, aging. Controlled refrigeration lets enzymes tenderize the meat, unlocking flavor. Then comes fabrication, breaking the carcass into primal cuts like loin, rib, and chuck. Skilled butchers turn these into the familiar steaks, chops, and roasts you see at the store. Each cut is designed for a specific cooking method: shoulder for slow cooking, loin for grilling. The butcher's craft ensures you get the best texture and taste. Every fillet, chop, and steak owes its perfection to this careful process. So next time you pick up a steak, remember the journey it took to get there. From farm to butcher block, it's all about safety, skill, and flavor. That's the story behind every cut. Let's see how we keep it fresh. Now, how do we keep meat from spoiling? Freezing is the go-to method. Cold temperatures halt bacteria and enzyme activity, preserving freshness. Quick freezing and airtight packaging prevent freezer burn and lock in quality. Another method: canning. Heat kills microbes, and airtight jars keep meat shelf-stable for years. For meats, pressure canning is essential to destroy dangerous bacteria. Freezing keeps texture and flavor close to fresh, perfect for steaks and chops. Canning fully cooks the meat, making it ready for stews and quick meals. Each method has its place depending on your needs. Want to pause time? Freeze it. Want it ready to eat? Can it. Preservation is about choosing the right tool for the job. But what about flavor? That's where curing comes in. Curing and smoking are ancient, flavorful ways to preserve meat. Salt draws out water, stopping microbes in their tracks. Sugar balances flavor and feeds good bacteria in fermented meats. Nitrates and nitrites keep cured meats safe and give them their signature color and taste. Smoking adds another layer, dehydrating the surface, adding antimicrobial compounds and infusing smoky flavor. The type of wood used shapes the final taste, turning pork belly into bacon or brisket into barbecue. These methods are both science and art, transforming perishable meat into culinary treasures. From farm to table, every step is about safety, flavor, and tradition. Now you know the secrets behind your favorite meats. Which method surprised you most? Share your thoughts below, and let us know what food story you want next. Thanks for watching.